Welcome to Update Your Migrated Courses in Canvas. In this portion, we will discuss updating your discussions. If you use discussions in your course, you will need to check those also. From the course navigation menu, select Discussions, and review the discussions that are available to you. There are 3 areas for discussions on this page. Pinned discussions will always be at the top of the page, no matter what. A great pinned discussion example would be an Ask the Professor and Peers discussion board, or maybe the most current discussion board. Under discussions, the discussion at the top is the one that always has had the most recent activity. This will change depending on when your students access content. Finally, closed for comments is where you can put discussions that you don't want the students to work on anymore, but you want them to have the historical record. Just as you have done for everything else in the course, you want to click each discussion. You're going to want to click Edit in the top right and review the content there, ensuring that everything is formatted as you intended, ensuring that there are no references to Blackboard, and running the accessibility checker. If you had a due date for your assignment, you will want to make sure you have the due date available. If the discussion is graded, you will want to make sure grading is selected. You will need to just go through and check and make sure everything is as you intended. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit clt.odu.edu.